Hello everyone, welcome to Stack Developer YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to integrate Google login in our Laravel e-commerce website. So it means that the user can able to log in into the website with the help of his Google account. Okay, so we are going to do this with the help of Laravel Socialite package. Okay, so we are going to install this package for the Google login. So first of all, I'm going to show you here. I have integrated Google login in this our basic e-commerce website. We have done the basic e-commerce course some time back, you have seen in Laravel, and here I have already integrated Google login in this website. I'm going to show you that how it works. Okay, so here you can see in login page Google login is here. So once we click on Google login, then you can see it is asking to log in with any of the account that you are having in your website. See, choose an account to continue to stack-developers.xyz. Okay, so I am going to log in with my account, Google account. So it will take few seconds, and see it able to log in. So you able to see the account here, log out here. Okay, so now we can log out. Okay, so once again you can log in and you can see that Google login here. So this kind of thing we are going to integrate. So I will tell you step by step all the process we are going to do offline. See here, see it's the offline, but it will work online. You need to make your website live. So few things you need to make sure. One is you must have the live website. You must make your website live. Okay, and after that you must be having terms and condition page like this. Okay, so add your terms and condition page, and one thing you must be having your privacy policy page. So these are the things that you require, because we are going to generate the Google key. See here, I'm going to show you. See, complete notes I'm going to give you. So you need to create the client ID and client secret from Google. Okay, so that thing also I'm going to tell you. So step by step we are going to do all, and see, once you will know that the process offline, first of all you need to integrate the process offline, only then you can make it online. Okay, you can test it online. Okay, offline you can do code for this thing. So let's start. I will open my basic e-commerce. This is my basic e-commerce website. So first thing is we will do that to install the Laravel Socialite package. So this is the command to install the Laravel Socialite package. So I will right click to my project XAMPP htdoc. So this is my project, new terminal at folder. You know how to run artisan commands if you are in Windows. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this command and paste. It will install Laravel Socialite package. Okay, so you can see that it's installing. It will take few seconds. Okay, so see, if in case timeout error comes, then there is the another command that you need to run. This is the another command that you need to run. See, this is you need to enter before the command composer underscore memory underscore limit equal to -1 if in case error comes. Okay, so I will show you in composer.json. See, Laravel Socialite 5.2 version. Okay, so it installed the package. So we can even remove the package from here. See, if I will remove this package and will run composer update, then it will remove the package. So now it will remove the package. So we are going to install the package with this command as well, because lot of time the error comes, that memory limit error comes. So we must also run with that command. See, now the package has been removed. You can see the Laravel Socialite package has been removed. Now I'm going to run with composer memory limit command. Okay, one and the same thing. So see here, it will just install the package once again. Okay, so now we are going to create the credentials in Google. We are going to create the app in Google for login. So that will generate client ID and client secret. So there are two links. First we are going to create a project, and then credentials. though I have already created for testing, for making it live before making video, but I'm going to show you once everything I'm going to show you. So you need to log in with your Google account. Once you will log in, you need to click on this link. This all details I will provide you under video. Okay, so you can check all the details there under the video. Here you need to open this link. Then here you need to give the project name. Like I will give the project name like Stack Developers is my website, Stack Developers is my channel. So I will give Stack Developers, then click on create. So it will create the project, you can see. So here you can see it will come here as well. At the top you can select. See, this one is under process and this one is created, Stack Developer. This just created, this one I have created earlier, okay, and this one I have just created now. Okay, so I can click on this one. So now it is showing this one, Stack Developers. Okay, so we need to go there, API and services, and here we need to add all the information. So we are going to click on auth consent screen. Okay, so after clicking on here, let it open. So we will select the user type as external, then we are going to click on create. So here we are required to give the app name. You can give your website name here, like I will give my project name like Stack Developers. If I want to give without spaces, I can also give it like this. Then email, we will select our Google email here, it will come automatically. So app domain, so I'm going to add my app domain. This is the app domain, so I will add it here. So privacy link, so privacy link, I will open my privacy link here and will copy that link. See, this is the privacy link. I am going to copy this link and will paste here. Okay, so now I am going to copy the terms and condition link. So all these links you need to make it online. Okay, only then you will get the API credential. See, everything you have done. Now add domain, click on add domain, and this website domain we are going to add this one. Okay, we will not add www http, just website name we are going to add. Don't add like this one like this. Okay, so we will click on add domain. So the domain has been added, so this one, just one. Okay, so after this, email ID once again. So same email ID we can give here. Your email ID, you can enter your email ID. Amit PHP programmer, I'm going to add Amit PHP programmer at gmail.com, my email ID. So finally we will save and continue. See, I am already having this one, so no issue. I am going to save. See, I have saved it. Okay, so now I will go here in credentials. I will click on the credentials now, and after clicking on the credentials, now I want to generate the credential plus create credential. Here I am going to click on here, then auth client ID, I am going to click on auth client ID. So after clicking on auth client ID, here application type I will give the web application, as we are working on website. Okay, so I am going to give web application, and then web client ID. Here we can give the website Stack Developers once again. Okay, so here we will leave this one, but here we are going to add the URL. So there will be the callback URL we will give. I'm going to give this URL right now, but we are going to create this URL in our website as a route. We are going to create, I will show you that we are going to create two routes here. In our steps, we are going to create two routes. So see this one, Google callback. So this is the URL we are going to give here. For generating the credentials, we need to give the URL. So you can create this URL. Okay, because later on we will create this as a route, so no issue, we can give here. So so this is the URL. This one, complete URL is this one. So I will just copy, so we'll paste there. here I am going to paste. Okay, so your website name / google / callback. So this is the URL that you need to give. Okay, so after giving this URL, we are going to click on create. So after creating, it will give you the client ID and client secret. Okay, so these are the client ID and client secret we are going to use in our website. Okay, so now see, open this doc, and now see, this one we are going to give these in services.php file. So I will close this one, composer.json. Now we will open inside config, there is a services.php file, services, so it is under config. Okay, so here at the last I will give the credentials. Okay, so I will just copy this one and will paste there. So the credentials we have just created, so I am going to copy those. See, I will copy client ID and will paste here. So you need to generate and you need to give your own credential, don't give these one. Okay, so you need to give your own client secret, then client secret. Okay, so here this one will remain the same. This one I have already given here, so you need to give this one the callback URL that we have created there. Okay, Google, your website name / google / callback. Okay, so this one we will give in services.php. Okay, so after this we will move to the next step, and the next step is to create the social underscore accounts table. So we will now create the social underscore accounts table with ID, user ID, provider underscore user ID, provider, created at, and updated at. So this table is required because we want to save, we want to insert the users who log in with Google. Okay, so we will have their user ID as well, and we will in provider column we are going to show Google that the user comes from the Google, so that we can identify that which users come from the Google. So you can also mark in admin panel. See, we have worked on users module in advanced e-commerce website or basic e-commerce website. We have the users module in our admin panel. We are showing all the users there. We can mark as well that this user has come from the website, or this user has come from the Google, or this user has come from the Facebook, like this. Okay, so we are going to create this table. See, I am going to create it like this, and maybe see, these content I may not able to copy in video description, but you can I will show you the columns that you need to create. Okay, click on go, and here see the social accounts. You need to create the table, this social underscore accounts table with ID, user underscore ID, provider underscore user underscore ID, provider, creator underscore at, and updated underscore at. So these are the columns you have to create. First two columns int, then this one varchar, and date timestamp. Okay, so you can create this one. So make sure you will give ID as unique auto increment. Okay, you need to give it primary. Okay, so you will create this table, social underscore accounts table. So next step is to create the routes. Okay, so these routes we are going to create. Okay, like I have told you earlier, routes we are going to create in web.php file. So we are going to create this routes in our front, and we are going to create them outside. Okay, will not create inside, otherwise they will not open. We will create outside like this. Okay, so these are the routes, and after routes we are going to create the model file. Okay, so social account model file we are going to create okay, two model files here. So first of all we will create the this model file, social account model file. So I will open this model file, social account. Okay, so here I am going to copy this content. Okay, so I will copy this content and will replace with this one. Fine. So after this one, now we will create another model file. This is the another model file that we are going to open, social account service.php. we will run this command, artisan command, to create this model file. Okay, so we can now run we can now add this content in this model file, social account service. We can replace with the content that we have copied from there. Okay, so we will now create the controller file, social auth controller. So this is the command for creating the controller file. So we are going to paste it, and now we are going to open social auth controller, and sorry, we are going to replace with this content. In this we are calling those functions that we have created, Google redirect and Google callback. This is the function that Google is calling. Okay, this URL we have given there, and from this function Google will create the account. Google will fetch the user and will able to redirect to the website. Okay, so now next step is to now create the Google login link in login register braid file. So this is the final step, login underscore register dot braid file, and we are going to add the login that Google login link. Okay, here. So I'm going to check once, click on login. Here you can see Google login link is here. Okay, so we can give this link above. Okay, so we can give this link here as well. Now see. Okay, so now the link seems to be there. Okay, now we can try with clicking on Google login. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now you can see all the accounts are coming here. Choose an account to continue to stack-developer.xyz. So we can select one of the account here. So after clicking on the account, see, it will take us to the website itself, because it will not work offline. Okay, so only thing you can test offline, you can generate everything, then see, these accounts must come. Okay, after clicking on this one, no error must come. After clicking on Google login, all the accounts must come, and after clicking on the account, then it will take you to the online, if you are having the online website. Okay, otherwise, see, it is asking for the verification. I will give the verification code here, then it will take me to the website. Okay, see, verification come to my mobile, 383135. Okay, so I will click on next, then see, it will log in to the stack-developers.xyz website. Okay, so it will take me to the website itself. Okay, so see here, it I have logged into the website. You can see the account is coming here, logout is coming here. Okay, so I able to log in with my Google account to the website. So you can integrate Google login in your website, and if you have any trouble, you can surely contact me. Okay, so I am going to give you the code. You can open this website, laravel.stackdevelopers.in, and you can follow all the code there. I am going to show you. Just open this website, you will have all the videos, latest videos will come here. Okay, and you can click here, Google login with Laravel Socialite package, and click on this one. You will able to see complete details, step to step details are here, so that you can easily create Google login. See, these screenshots are also given. The thing that we have created in Google console, that is bit complex, so that's why I have given here, so that you will know step to step. You can take this image as this one. to make it big. Okay, so all the images are here that you need to create this create see. Okay, so you can do it like this. You can just make it, you can see that everything I have given there, that how you need to create the credentials. Okay, after that everything, all the things. Okay, and this one also you can do it like this and see in big, you will get all the code here. Okay, so you can type all the code, and if you want the complete code from me, okay, then I will surely give you this code. This is working code. Then you can join as a premium member and contact me. See, you will get this complete code, okay, with Google login. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any trouble, you can surely contact me. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.